Good morning, students. So, how are you? Fine. Very good. I am also fine. So, look here. Tell me what is date today? Today is 20th July 2020. What is date today? 20th July 2020. What is day today? Today is Monday. Today is, tell me, Monday. That's good. Okay. Now today I am going to teach you subject maths, and today the day is 11. Now students, tell me what thing I am going to tell you now. Can you see here? Today I am going to tell you how to find out the thickest one and how to find out the thinnest one if we have more objects than 2. Suppose if we have number of objects, more than 2 objects, then we have to find out which one is thickest and which one is thinnest. Right? Now look here. What are these? Candles. What are these? Candles. If we will see only these 2 candles, not this one, then we can say this one is thick and this one is thin. But now we are having 3 candles. So tell me which one is thickest? Thickest. Thickest means सबसे मोटा. Thickest. This one or this one? This one is thickest. This one is thickest. And which one is thinnest? When we compare these two, we can say this one is thin and this one is thick. And when we compare these two, we can say this one is thin and this one is thick. But now we are having 3 candles. So which one is thinnest? This one is thinnest. Say thinnest, thickest. Again repeat. Thinnest, thickest. Thickest, thinnest. Now what are these? Carrots. 3 carrots. How many carrots are here? 3. 1, 2 and 3. Tell me which one is thickest? Which one is thickest? This one is thickest. This carrot is thickest among all these carrots. And this is thinnest. This carrot is thinnest among all these carrots. Now, logs of wood. Tell me which one is thickest? This one is thickest. Thickest. And this one is thinnest. This one is thinnest. Now, repeat once. Thickest, thinnest. Thickest, thinnest. Thickest, thinnest. Now I want to show you some objects related to this concept. Let's start. So students, look here. This one is thin and this one is thick. Right? Now I am going to keep one more pencil, one more object. Tell me which one is thickest? Which one is thickest? This one is thickest and this one is thinnest. Thin. This is thickest and this is thinnest. Right? Now students, can you see these 3 books? This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So which one is thinnest? This one is thinnest, and this one is thickest, thickest, and this one is thinnest, right? So students, in your maths book you have to complete these 2 pages. First, cross the thin thing in each set. Here is one set, you have to cross the thin one. Here also you have to cross the thin one. Here we can see 2 books, you have to cross the thin one. And same thing you have to do here also. Now come to this side. Color the thickest brinjal. Here we can see 3 brinjals. 1, 2 and 3. You have to tell me what? You have to do color in the thickest brinjal. In the thickest brinjal. Look carefully. This one is thickest. So you have to do color only in this picture. Not this one and not this one. Right? Come to the next question. Color the thinnest pencil. Here we can see 3 pencils. 1, 2 and 3. So which one is thinnest? This one is thinnest. So you have to do color only in this picture. Why? Because this is thinnest. Right? So in this way you have to complete both the pages. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.